We often get questions about LANDFIRE layer symbology. This short video will help you quickly navigate the symbology options for a couple popular LANDFIRE layers. A significant aspect of managing each map layer is having the ability to set a wide array of layer properties in the Properties dialog box. First, import your layer. Here we're starting with LANDFIRE Existing Vegetation Type. Right-click on the layer, select Symbology, and as you can see, the primary symbology display that is automatically selected is Stretch. In the drop-down menu, select Unique Values, and just below that you can select what unique value you want the layer to display on. You can select EVT name or any other attribute to display the layer properties on. For a full explanation of each of these fields, see the documentation provided on the landfire.gov website. To get rid of the purple No Data color, simply click and select No Color. If you'd like to display the layer based on another attribute, say Society of American Foresters and Society for Range Management cover type, simply make that selection in the drop-down menu. Here we are getting rid of the No Data color in the left contents pane using the same method as before. Now let's check out the LANDFIRE BPS layer display options. Right-click on the layer, navigate to Symbology, and in the Primary Symbology drop-down menu, select Unique Values. Just below that, in the Field 1 drop-down menu, select BPS name. Now close that box, navigate back to the contents, and to get rid of the pink surrounding No Data color, navigate to No Data, click and select No Color. To display the symbology on a different attribute, say Fire Regime Group, select FRG New in the Field 1 drop-down menu. Remember, you can find the definitions for every field for every LANDFIRE layer in the Attribute Data Dictionary that accompanies all LANDFIRE products. I hope this short video has been helpful as you navigate the many ways to visualize LANDFIRE data. If questions remain, please don't hesitate to reach out to the LANDFIRE Helpdesk.